How to restore the old YouTube layout. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So start by opening up a web browser, and here you want to click on these three dots and now head over to extensions. Then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to the search bar and you want to search for YouTube Redux. Now click on this extension right here. Once you do, click on Add to Chrome, and now you want to click on Add Extension from here as well. And now this extension is going to be downloaded, so just wait for some time. Once the extension has been added to Chrome, you want to open youtube.com. So if this extension is not working yet, you want to reload YouTube, and once you do, the old version of YouTube will be restored. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.